Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can check the model name of your iPhone 15 series. So if you are buying an iPhone and you want to know exactly if it is an iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Pro or the Plus, you can always go in here and check it out. To do that, first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on General. Next tap on About and then go down, and in here tap on model name. It should tell you what model name it is. You can touch and hold on the model name and then tap on Copy, and this will copy the model name information into the clipboard. And here at the moment it's showing that the model name of my device is iPhone 15 Pro. You will not be able to change this or modify it. It is derived from your hardware, so the iOS will check your hardware and it'll give you the correct information here. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.